charge to mass ratio of electron. J.J. Thomson made an experiment to calculate the ratio of electrical charge E to the mass of electron M, okay, by using a cathode ray discharge tube. Okay, it's a glass tube containing two electrodes, cathode and anode, and this glass tube is filled with a gas at a very low pressure. Okay, and high voltage is applied. At that time, cathode rays or electrons move from cathode, passes through anode and strike at the point B on the fluorescent screen. Okay, now in the next stage he applied electric or magnetic field. He applied electric and magnetic field which are perpendicular to each other. Electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other to the path of electrons. Each other to the path of electrons. At first only electric field is applied. At that time the path of the electrons move towards this positive plate and strikes at the point A. Okay. Then in the next stage he applied only magnetic field. Okay. At that time the path of the electrons strike at the point C. Okay. And he found that this deflection or deviation depends upon three factors, that is charge of the particle, as the charge increases, deflection increases. Okay, deflection increases. Second factor is mass of the particle. Mass of the particle. Lighter the particle, greater the deviation. Lighter the particle, greater the deviation. Okay. Third factor is strength of electric and magnetic field. Strength of electric and magnetic field. That is, the deflection increases when a high voltage is applied at the electrons or increases the strength of the magnetic field. Okay. In the next step, Thomson adjusted the electric and magnetic field applied such that the path of the electrons moves in the straight lines and hit at the point B. Okay. Now it moves on the straight line and reaches at the point B. Okay. Next, by carrying out the accurate measurements on the amount of deflection of electrons on electric and magnetic field strength, Thomson determined the value of E by M. And he got the value 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11 Coulomb kilogram inverse. Okay. Now, in 1909, R.A. Millikan found out the value of E, okay, by using oil drop experiment. Okay, by using oil drop experiment, he calculated value of E, which is equal to 1.60 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. Okay. Now, from these two values, we can calculate the mass of the electron. Mass of the electron will be equal to E by E. Okay, so this will be equal to mass of the electron. The value of E is 1.60 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by Coulomb. 1.76 into 10 raised to 11 Coulomb kilogram inverse. After calculation, after this we got the value 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. This is the value of the mass of the electron. This is the value for the mass of the electron, and this is found that this mass is approximately 1 by 1837 of the mass of hydrogen atom. Okay.